Hello everyone, welcome back to Suku Studios. I welcome you back after a year, and this is Sukanya. Thank you for holding on to me and staying with me for the last year. I am really sorry that I disappeared in the midway, and maybe I realized that I was not sure with what I was doing, and yeah, I couldn't balance things out properly. So that was one of the main reasons that I had to leave YouTube. But now I realize the value of it, and I think right now we are all stuck at our home, and we don't get to meet people easily and share or talk to them. So I think this is the right time to come back to share my stories with you guys. Firstly, I'd like to say that last year I was in Bangalore. Then I shifted my base to Bombay. So for the past 7 months, I am here in Bombay, and the city is really nice, and the sea is really helping me. I feel to bring out my creativity. It is very nice to go for a walk by the sea. I think it is one of the best things for me about Bombay. And so I have done over the past few months a lot of work, and it varied from animation to illustration to book design to music videos. One thing that I was missing out was going out to the street and working. Like, it gives me a lot of excitement to do that. So now that things are a little better, I went outside to do street art last week, and with my friend Bong UFO. You will be seeing him in the video as well. As you are aware that it is raining very badly in Bombay, so it is quite difficult to get a street art done overnight, but we tried our best to complete it, although there was a lot of rain happening in between. You'll get to see all of them in the coming video. And one more thing I'd like to show you is while doing these two murals, I used these aerosol sprays, which is by Flame, and these comes in really nice colors, and all the colors that you can possibly think of, and I wish to use them all. These are very nice, and it dries up very easily because it is aerosol, and the colors also stays quite vibrant, and it is one of the main reasons that we could have completed the street arts, because it doesn't get washed away in the rain, and it is a little less messy as well, because when we are using our conventional paints, we use a lot of water and brushes, and we need to carry a lot of things around. And as you understand, it is the pandemic time, so I really wanted to minimize my things. So I used them, and these are excellent. So I really recommend you guys to use them and see. These are really good for murals and street art graffitis, and it comes with different cap sizes as well. So you can fill up a larger amount of space in really less time, and you can do details with the different types of skinny and fat caps. You can there is like an entire range of things that you can get from them and use, and which are really nice quality product. So you will be seeing the video, and I'll be sharing with you the rest of the stories along. So let's get back to the video. I painted this chameleon street art on 14th August, that is last week, at Versova, Bombay, and the cat was painted 1 week before that. But unfortunately I don't have any videos of me painting the cat because it was raining very bad that day and I couldn't set up my camera. So both these murals took me 4 hours approximately each. Now that I have changed my medium to spray paints that I showed you earlier in the video, my work became a little faster.
So why I painted this cat? Recently, after the lockdown started, I was all alone by myself and was getting a little bored just doing work. So as I love animals, I thought of getting one. I love dogs, but I like big dogs. So the idea of a dog became too big for me in this tiny apartment that I live in right now. So I had to think of a smaller thing, and the next thing was a cat. So I got a cat instead and named her Mucosar. But it turned out to be a disaster. Like soon I tried to treat my cat as a dog, and as I was more used to dogs, and this was my first time cat experience, so the first few days for me as well as my cat was a little struggling. Then I researched and learned a lot more about cats and found out that they are way different than a dog, and the emotions and expressions are also very different. So I understood more about her, and she became a great companion. So during the past few months, I was really having a nice, I am still now having a very nice time with her every day. So I decided to paint her. Hi. So my work just stopped because it started to rain, and it is raining like anything for the past few days. The last retard that I did was this cat, and one of her legs just disappeared. So I don't know what is going to happen to my chameleon. Let's hope for the best and see when I can continue. And for the chameleon, I feel in this world, the key belongs to them who can keep up with the constant change. And I feel a chameleon does that job the best. Updating and adapting to new things and environment is a key part of life. And we all should learn and get inspired by the chameleon for that. Although it has a very bad rapport in the market about changing colors, but that is just one way of thinking of it, don't you think? So why don't we see the fact that it is designed to do that for its survival? We as humans cannot change colors when our environment changes, but we can surely change our mindset, which helps us to adapt to things faster. You can see my friend in this video along with me painting and making a piece of graffiti. He is Bong UFO, and he is also an independent artist and one of my good friend. I will surely introduce you to him in one video. I would like to tell you one more thing, that I'll put up a video each week on Sundays, and I really love your support and appreciation, and that's what keeps me going, and that is one of the main reasons that I came back to YouTube, because of this larger community of people. It is like an extended family who is always there for each other for anything. And thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do comment what you feel about my comeback, and if you have any doubts, I am there to clear them. I will tell you more about what I learned over the last year in the videos coming up next. Till then, stay safe. See you next week.